gents, I'm so excited to be back today. I have a new get ready with me video on this look, and this is the look that I was rocking in my last video, my giveaway video, my giving away hella makeup video. I want to thank y'all so much for all of your support. I wish that everyone could be a winner, but it's just not possible. But trust me, I have mad makeup to give away. So this will be the first of many. So are y'all ready to find out who won all of this makeup? This thing is heavy. You're getting all of my favorite products, plus some new products, plus some products I haven't even tried, some limited edition MAC products up in here. Are y'all ready for the winner? I know y'all are ready for the winner. Can I get a drum roll, please? Okay, let me quit playing. The giveaway winner is Demetria F. Congratulations to you, girl. I just sent you a message, so be sure to check your inbox. I also sent you a comment on the last giveaway video, so definitely check that out, girl. Congratulations to you. I will definitely have more giveaways, so please do not feel discouraged if you did not win this giveaway. So I really like this look with my hair pulled back. It's just like snatching my face, right? Like this look looks so much better with your hair pulled back. I was trying to get it in a high ponytail, but I wasn't trying to have this lace come up, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just stick with the low ponytail and we're gonna be okay. So this video is gonna be talk through style because I know that I haven't done that kind of video in a while, and I know a lot of you wanna know like why I'm doing what I'm doing, and just like talking through, telling you which products I'm using, which brushes I'm using. If you wanna see how I achieve this full look, definitely stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video, and let's get into this tutorial. So let's get into this makeup tutorial. We're first going to start off by filling in our eyebrows. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony, and I'm using the Makeupd0ll brush with it. This is the perfect brow brush. I'm only using this product on the outer like 3/4 of my brow. The inner 1/4 of my brow, I'm actually going to go in with the brow pencil. Next, I'm going in with the Colourpop brow pencil in Bangin Brunette. This is a little bit lighter than the Ebony Dip Brow Pomade, and this is just going to help give the brow a more natural kind of gradient effect. Next, it's time to carve out those eyebrows, and I'm using the Sephora Correct and Conceal palette in medium deep, and I'm using the shade 10, and this is the perfect shade. It's not too light, not too dark. I didn't want a really stark highlight underneath my brow today, but I just wanted to kind of clean up underneath the brow. So I am using the Makeupd0ll brush, and this brush is amazing for that. I am also applying this concealer all over the eyelid to cancel out any discoloration that I have there so that we can start off with a nice fresh canvas for our eyeshadow. Now this step is major key if you're going to use concealer on your eyelids. Be sure to set it with a powder. I'm using my J.Cat Beauty Banana Powder. Now it's time to apply our first eyeshadow color. I'm going into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm using the shade Amethyst, and this shade is going all the way in the crease. I believe I'm using an e.l.f. crease brush, and this is a nice fluffy brush. The first color that you put down in your crease, you want it to be a nice fluffy brush. Now it's time to apply highlight underneath our brow bone. I'm going in with a nice skin tone matte shade, and this one is from the Morphe 3502 palette. This is the shade Universal. I love it for packing underneath my eyebrow. Now it's time to go in with our second crease color. I'm using the color Outrageously from the Marc Jacobs Frivoluxe Eye-Conic palette, and I'm using this on a MAC 224 brush, and I'm really getting into my crease. I'm not taking it as high as the last crease color. I'm going a little bit below it. When I first created this look, I went in with a matte black eyeshadow here, but I decided that I wanted to use a navy today. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blue Velvet Eyeshadow. This is from their Artist palette, and I'm using this with an e.l.f. small crease brush. This is perfect for getting in that outer V. Now it's time to carve out our eyelids. I'm going into that same Sephora Correct and Conceal palette in medium dark. And this time, instead of concealer 10, I'm using concealer 8. This is a little bit lighter because I wanted the shadow on our lids to pop. But I am taking my time to make sure that I carve out the lid just right. You want this to be as precise as possible, so take your time. Now it's time to set that concealer with an eyeshadow. I'm going back into the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and I'm using the shade Twilight. It's a nice iridescent dual chrome color. It's got like a teal and a purple undertone to it. It's really unique and really pretty. Make sure you pack this all over the concealer because this is going to be a base for our glitter. You want something to be behind the glitter. You don't just want the concealer to be there because it will crease up on you. So I'm doing my winged liner before I apply my glitter today because it's a lot easier to get a precise line before you lay down the glitter. So I'm going in with the Tarteist Double Take eyeliner and I'm using just the liquid side, and this is a wonderful eyeshadow for helping you get that like really precise liner. Like if you have problems applying liquid liner, definitely try this baby out. So before I apply my glitter, I apply the LA Splash Midnight Elixir. It really helps the glitter to just stick to it. And for glitter today, I am using the MAC glitter in 3D Platinum. I love this glitter. It has like almost a holographic feel to it, but it's a really beautiful glitter. And I'm applying it with my concealer brush. I would recommend going in with a small brush, not a brush as big as this one, but that's what I had lying around, so I just used it. Now it's mascara time. I'm applying the MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara, and I'm just using this to coat my lashes so that when I apply my false lashes on, it just has something to like stick to and it looks more natural. So I actually didn't even know what lashes these were, but I found the box. So these lashes are from Amazon. They're from a brand called Arimika Lash. I will definitely link it in the description box below for you guys. It doesn't have any style on the box, so I will try to find the exact pair of lashes I have, but they're very inexpensive for mink lashes and they look so good. So definitely check them out. Y'all should already know what I'm spraying my face with by now. I am using the Smashbox Primer Water. I use this in every single makeup tutorial, so y'all should know that. Y'all already know that I like to double prime. My second primer today is the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue. For foundation, I'm going in with one of my favorites, the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. I'm using the shade 520 Suede W, and this foundation is just the bomb. Like, I have never applied this foundation and regretted it afterwards. Like, you know how you apply some foundations and you're just like, I just ruined my makeup. Like, I never have any issues with this foundation. I can use it with a beauty blender. I can use it with a brush. Every time it looks amazing. Today I'm using it with this super huge It Cosmetics brush. I will link it down below for you guys, but if you don't have a lot of time and you're trying to just buff in that foundation, this brush covers a really big area. So I decided to take off my hair scarf because it was driving me nuts when I was applying my foundation. But now I am going in with concealer, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape. I use the shade Deep and also Tan Sand. I use Tan Sand just underneath my eyes just to add like a bit of brightening there. But do not mind my hairline either because I will get it together once I finish my makeup. So I am blending in the concealer with the damp beauty blender, and I'm also going back in with the foundation brush just to blend out the edges. I go back and forth between the two so I can get a nice flawless look. Now, if you don't go as light as I do with concealer, you may not have to do like the back and forth, but when you do like a brightening concealer, you definitely want to make sure that you blend all of those lines out really seamlessly. So to initially set all the highlighted areas on our face, I'm going in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark.
And I completely forgot to mention that brush that I keep using is from Tarte. I don't know the name, but I will try to link it down below if it's still available. It's like a dual-ended brush, and I'm using it to pack on my powder. I'm using the Lancome Dual Finish Powder in the shade 540 Suede W. So now it's time to bake underneath our eyes. I'm going in with the J.Cat Beauty Banana Powder. Now I'm going to add a bit of dimension back to my skin using the Black Radiance Contour Palette. This is the darker one, and I'm just using that deep contour shade. Oh, I love this shade. And that's actually a Kat Von D, I believe that's a bronzer brush. So I like to use it to carve out my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, and also my nose. You know we have to snatch that nose. Yes, nose, come through. I see you. I see you. So I let the baking powder sit underneath my skin for about 3 to 5 minutes, and now we're just brushing it away. So now it's time to give our skin that glow with highlighter. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills No. 23 brush and the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo, and I'm using that golden shade. It is just so pretty. I love this for all over my skin. I could literally like bathe in this stuff. Now it's time to line our lips. I'm going in with the MAC Lip Pencil in Cork. It's just a nice medium brown lip liner, and I'm doing a nude lip, so this will be perfect. So I switched up the nude lip shade that I used in this video, but I love it so much. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Stay Neutral. It is so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love this color so much. Alright, now it's time to finish the eyes. I'm going in with a eye pencil. This one is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Asphyxia. Oh my gosh, I butchered that. You know what I mean, okay? It will be in the description box down below. So now it's time to blow out our lower lash line, and I'm going back into that Marc Jacobs eyeshadow in the shade Outrageously with that e.l.f. small crease brush. And I'm applying the MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara to my bottom lashes to make them nice and long. Next, I'm going to set my face and get rid of that powdery look with the Fix Plus. This is the rose one. And before my face fully dries, I'm applying the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Sugar Daddy. And that just gave my highlight that extra just, I love it.
Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Y'all are the freaking best. Please be sure to leave me a comment down below. Thumbs up this video. That really helps with the engagement of my videos so more people are able to see them. So we can get up there, you guys. Like, let's get it popping for 2018. Do people say get it popping? I don't know what people say now, but whatever they say, just act like I said that. I love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch y'all in my next video. Bye. Have y'all watched my last video? If you haven't, be sure to click it right here and check it out before you leave, okay? Let's go.